If you'd like to see how I'm going to organize, label, and put away my inventory I recently received and use this flip shelf in seconds I bought from Target, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so I already did a video showing the unboxing of this shipment that I recently got in of these rhinestones and pearls. Now I'm gonna kind of let you see how I'm going to try my best to get organized with everything I have here. And I'm going to be setting up this little purchased this from Target last night. It's called a flip shelf, shelving in seconds. I also purchased a bookshelf, but that'll be a different video. But look at this. So it looks like it's lightweight. It says you open it up and then you flip it, and then just like that, you have a stronghold 75-pound weight capacity shelf. No assembly. That's the part that really got me. So I am going to go ahead and open this up, get this set up. Then to store my rhinestones in for now, I purchased these deli containers off Amazon, and you get a 50 set for $24. Now I had some other cute jars that were more clear and you could see through them better, but they were kind of expensive because you only got about 12. Now you see you get 50 here, and you see I have quite a bit of inventory to put up. And you get these lids to go with them. So I'm going to be doing some organization with this. Now I'm going to show you, don't judge me, but I do have a lot of my inventory just over in the corner. I have a lot of my inventory kind of just hanging out here in my living room. It's kind of like my craft area, and I work from home in this room as well. So this is not the best space for this, so I've been kind of needing something for a while. I actually do prefer these jars. These are containers with lids, and they're 32 ounces. And you can see the rhinestones a lot better in these. But like I said, these are a lot more expensive and you get way less. I started out with these little 8-ounce jars. No, these are 16 ounce. And then I got to the 32 ounce. But I found that these are a lot better because you get so many more. So that's what I'm using. So I'm going to be putting this up that I have over here in this corner. And I'm going to be organizing what I showed you on my table. I'm just continuing to go ahead and fill up these jars, as many as I possibly can, to keep things put away and nice and neat, because when you have something that has so many different variations, it can kind of get out of control as far as storage goes. I absolutely just love these gold-plated rhinestones I recently got in. They are so adorable. I'll make sure I have a link available for these. I just love this red. It's just so pretty. I could just watch this all day. This is like the most fun part. Putting away everything, just pouring this stuff into the containers is just so satisfying and so relaxing. I just love this. These colors are so pretty. I'm excited about the orange and the olive greens and the pinks and the silvers. I'm excited about all the colors. I just love rhinestones. Most of these all jarred up in these plastic containers. Again, these are deli containers that people would put, these are like spill free, so you will put like soups in here, or whatever you put in deli containers. But I have my rhinestones and pearls in them, okay? You don't have to do this. This is completely optional, but this is what I found to be helpful and beneficial for me right now. This DYMO Letra Tag label maker. I got this off eBay. No, excuse me. I got this for, I purchased this off Amazon and it was $14.99. For some reason I thought I paid $25, but it was only like $14. I love this thing. It comes in handy. So let me show you how it works. So far I printed out a few labels, but I want to show you how I do it on here. It's so user friendly. The labels I have right now are green because I bought like a refill pack that had multiple colors, but it does come with white. I prefer clear. I really like the clear ones. So you cut it on by pressing this button, white pearl AB. Okay, so it says the last thing that I put in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit clear. Once I hit clear, it'll ask me if I want to clear all, and I'll say okay. I'm going to type in gold. So it's on the letters now. If you want to change it to numbers, you'll type the little number tab, hit the space bar, and I'm going to type in the number 6. Go back to the letters, MM for 6 millimeter. I'll type in gold, then I'll put in pearls, the word pearls. It's in lowercase. If you want it to be capital, I like to do all capital. So you'll just click on this, which is showing you that it can be a large size letter or a small size letter. So I'm gonna type in pearl. Gold pearls, 6 millimeter is what I have typed in here. Then I'm just gonna hit print. And it comes right out on the side over here. Just like that. Then this big clunky button right here is the scissors. It's a little scissor icon on there. I'm not sure if you can see that. You press it all the way down and look at that. It cuts it out for you. It says gold pearls 6 millimeter. So that is how I'm trying to organize all of these. So when I go to pull them, I know exactly what size it is. I'm gonna put it on the top. I can do the side. I can actually do both. But when I go to grab, I grab them from the top. Now it is important to have these labeled, but it's also important to be able to eyeball your product and just know just from looking at it if it's an 8 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, or whatever it is. You want to also just know. But it is helpful if you're moving quickly, you're trying to fill your orders, to be able to just look and see clear as day what it is, okay? So I'm going to continue to label the rest of all of these containers. I have more on the floor over here. I couldn't fit them all on the table. Then I'm going to show you how I'm going to open up this flip shelf. So just continue to keep watching. I know I mentioned that I like the clear labels. I actually like these bold colored ones better because it really stands out and you can see them like right away with no problem what it says. Okay, so this flip shelf, shelving in seconds, I want to say I purchased this from Target and this was no more. It was no more than $30. I want to say it was about maybe $25, $27 at the most. When I tell you, this was the most simplest, easiest, plug and play thing that I've ever had to like put. You did not have to put it together. You just open it up and bam. I see why it's called shelving in seconds. So if you're someone who isn't really into looking at all those instructions, having to use screwdrivers and just all this stuff to put something together, this is perfect for you. Absolutely perfect. That same day, I also bought a bookshelf. I've already uploaded that video, so make sure you check that out as well. Now, that took hours to put together, and I just paid my son to do it. Of course, he would have did it for free, but I just appreciated it that much that he put it together. I don't like putting stuff together. I just don't. It's just not me. So to have something like this that's just so simple, the most I had to do to put this together is right here, what you see me doing right now. Cutting off the cutting off the zip ties, that's what they're called, zip ties. That was about it, and removing the cardboard. And that was literally it. So make sure you have some scissors, some good scissors to cut off the zip ties. And you just open this bad boy up, flip those shelves down, and you go right on along your way. Okay, so there's like some hooks on the sides, side railing. See how I'm just kind of slamming that down and show you where that goes? And you just make sure that you put the shelf on top of that hook and then kind of close it in tight. And then your shelf is literally put together. Now that bag of hardware that I showed you, I don't know where that goes to. I tried to figure it out. The shelf works fine without the hardware. If you could figure it out, good. So I just made sure that I secured each shelf, starting from the bottom to the middle to the top. And that was literally pretty much it. Okay, so you can see it took no time at all to put that together. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going ahead and adding my containers. And I'm trying to put as many as I can on here as possible. As many as I can, because I have so many. This stand is going to help, but it's not going to hold everything that I have. So I was trying to see if I could like double stack them. That was like one of the options, to try to double stack once I filled up each shelf. Double stacking was like, okay, I'm still out of space here. But again, I did also have a bookshelf, so that will help also. But I'm just kind of adding everything and loading it on here. So just continue to kind of see how I did that. And if you live in an apartment, this is like a cute, small little thing. Like, it's not super huge like the bookshelf. Now, the bookshelf I have is big and tall. Taller than me, actually. But this is nice if you live in an apartment and you want to sell rhinestones, or if you want to just keep your own inventory for doing your own projects. This is great to put any type of DIY things on. So consider this under 30 bucks at Target. Check it out. As you can see, I had rhinestones kind of all over the place. Look, I had a crate. I had some in a cardboard box. I had some on the table. I had rhinestones all over the place. So this little shelf really came in handy. Okay, so as you can see here, I still have plenty of rhinestones and pearls in this crate and in this box. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going through the shelves again and doubling up my jars and containers to see how much I can fit. Okay, so starting from the bottom of this shelf, I feel so much better. It may not be the most organized to you guys. It's not color coded or any of that. That's fine. I'm just glad these pearls and rhinestones have a better home to rest on, and they're kind of out of the way of other areas of the house, so I'm glad about that. Now, again, consider this. It's plug and play. It's super easy. It was under $30. If you like this and this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who may benefit from seeing this. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Check out some of my DIYs and rhinestone embellishing playlist videos. I'll have some links available where you can purchase some of these rhinestones and pearls. And thanks again. Bye-bye.